In this video, I will demonstrate how to disable the Save Search feature in Google Chrome. If you desire greater control over your search results, you may consider turning off this setting. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer and navigate to. Scroll to the bottom of the home page and click on Settings from the menu. Subsequently, click on Search Settings. This action will direct you to a new page where you can modify various search settings. Scroll down to the Content section and locate the Save Search option. Click on it and select the Off option. By following these steps, you have successfully disabled the Save Search feature in Google Chrome. Thank you for your attention.